DirtFarmerJay here from DirtFarmerJay.com. Our laundry room and the laundry products we use have become kind of a big deal on YouTube. Well, we found another product that we want to talk to you about, liquidless laundry detergent sheets. Stay tuned and I'll tell you about how good these are. Hey, DirtFarmerJay here from DirtFarmerJay.com. Well, if you're like us, laundry's a big deal. You want it done right, you want to use the right products, you want your machine to run really well, and we feature different laundry products all the time. First of all, if you're curious about keeping one of these type of machines in pristine condition, and if you've got a stinky one, we'll show you how to take care of that. Check out the video that's linked above and in the description below, and we'll tell you how to keep one of these types of machines running beautifully and odor-free. Now, as far as products go, we have found that we generally stay away from liquid detergents because they tend to cause issues with biological buildups, and we've not had real good successes with them, with a couple exceptions. Number one, I tend to use these type of products, which are like just laundry detergent, dry amounts, but because these are high efficiency machines, it only takes a little bit to really make it work really well. Well, there's a laundry detergent out there that's liquid called Swash, and this has really become DirtFarmerMaggie's go-to. You can get something like 80 loads, 82 loads out of that bottle, and it has a pre-measured cap on the top that dispenses just the right amount. You can get it scented as pure linen or unscented, and Maggie really likes the results on this, and so that's what she uses ongoing. But we've come up with a third contender in the marketplace. This is from EarthBreeze. It's laundry detergent liquidless Eco Sheets. Now, kind of think of this. I've used these several times, and they've worked very dependably. You simply take out these sheets that are like that. Kind of think of it as like detergent leather. Remember fruit leather? Well, this gives new meaning to wash your mouth out with soap if you feed one of your kids. Not recommended. But this leather is simply inserted into the dispenser, folded in, right into the detergent dispenser like that, put shut, and then when it's run, that'll dissolve. And I've done this multiple times now, and it works dependably every time. Now, as far as results in the laundry itself, I haven't seen a significant difference between the other things, or no difference at all, really. It's done a great job. It's clean, there's a fresh scent, and if I have a very soiled load, then I just put in a couple of these. So what it boils down to is a couple things here. One, this product says that it uses a lot less ingredients. If you go online, there's only a few simple ingredients. You're not shipping water around. One of their claims there, it's more carbon neutral. If those kind of issues are important to you, then you might consider this. You can buy this on a subscription plan, and I'll put that information where you can buy this in the description below. And it just comes in a packet. This literally arrived with a little envelope around it. This one does 60 loads. And it's worked quite well. So, kind of boils down to economics. So let me show you a price comparison between each of the products. So let's start at the off-the-shelf powder detergents from your local grocer, such as Gain or other ones, Tide and so forth. Those range at about 10 to 15 cents per load for the entry level or things that don't have extra boosters and all that sort of thing. You can pay more if need be, but just general generic detergent runs about 10 to 15 cents a load. Now, if you go to Swash, Swash is going to cost you about 22 cents to 25 cents a load. Again, these aren't huge amounts per load, but as a percentage, that's a significant increase from 15 to 25 cents a load. Now, when we bought this packet of 60 loads of EarthBreeze product, that cost us $21.40, including shipping. So all in, $21.40. So that came out to 36 cents per load. So depending on how many loads you do, what you think is important and what you get with each one of these, you make the decision. But as far as performance, this works really well and it does dissolve dependably. Another product that's really popular in the laundry room is borax, but you know it has a lot more uses than just laundry. Check out this video where we tell you about how to use it to clean your garbage disposal. And while you're at it, check out this other video that we've made especially for you. Until the next time, this is DirtFarmerJay from DirtFarmerJay.com.